It's over, Frank. You're going down. I gotta put you down, bud. You're rabid. Ah!
Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le doy un dolor. Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera.
Oh no.
Okay, he's like a 10, but his eyebrows are just like little dots on his head.
Whop.
He does it to the other side. What happened to your hair? You look like you got shocked by lightning. Oh my goodness.
He's a 10, but he jumps on people when he greets them.
Let's high five. Tell him to give you a high Kayla, you gotta give him $1. He won't. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I grew a Siberian Husky. I thought I was growing blueberries.
Cheeseburger, you're sitting in a very cute pose, as always. But can you do the splits?
Sit. Strider! Get out of here, I'm in the bathroom. Hey, now!
Okay, come on. Go, guys!
I have cheese.
Go pee. Go on. It's just a little bit of rain. Go pee. Go pee. Go on. Charlie, you didn't pee.
Take his ass outside. Take him outside for it. Take him outside. Take him to go potty. Take his ass to go potty, Fred. I'm for Virgo. You got it for it.
Yeah.
Bird. No, 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 no. No. Get down off my truck. Get off my truck. Sit down. Get down. Do you want to go? Do you want to go for a ride? Come on. Come here. Come here. If you want, come here. Come here. Stop it. Ryman.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Good morning.
He's a girl. What are you doing?
Cojito Dominando. Dominando.
Someone that lives in your house rent-free.
It was so cute.
Lily.
Please, Daddy. I gotta get out of here.
Do you like your pup cup? Do you like your pup cup? Mas eu já tenho. Uai, Milena, amanhã tentei.
Pero una perrita bonita. Hola, linda, muy bien. Hola, mi perrita. Bueno. Hola, Messi.
Mm.